Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, and those returning, it's good to see you back. My name's Penny and I'm in my 50s from New Zealand. I moved to Japan in September 24. My journey is all about embracing change, learning new skills and exploring Japan and beyond. It would be great if you'd join me and be part of the community. Today I'm meeting with the real estate agent to sign the contract and pick up the keys for my daughter's apartment. It's a 15-minute walk from Ikebukuro. I will go over the move-in costs at the end of the video. Looking for an apartment can be quite challenging. I feel like it's the luck of the draw and whether you get a good real estate agent who's willing to help, and also whether the landlord will accept foreigners. A lot of times landlords will say no to foreigners just because we only stay for a year or two and they're looking for longer term tenants. I'd say we're pretty lucky to find a good real estate agent that didn't mind helping foreigners find an apartment. However, she does speak a bit of Japanese, which made it easier. I've just picked up the keys, so let us make our way to the apartment. So we're here, so let's go inside. It's an older style apartment, which is a bit of the negative. However, it is the largest one we saw with lots of light. First we go into an area called the Genkan. This is where you take off your shoes and you put your house slippers on. No shoes allowed inside. It's called a 1 LDK, which means there are 2 rooms, a kitchen, dining and a bedroom. This is the kitchen dining area. It has 1 induction cooking plate. Not the usual Western style, but we'll make do. The next room is the bedroom. It has a balcony and a window, so it brings lots of light. We've got a double wardrobe, which has good storage. Maybe not for my daughter though. What do you think? Comment below. Do you think it's enough space? One thing I found interesting is that the apartment doesn't come with lights, so we have to buy light fittings. In the kitchen it has the space for a fridge. The bathroom is compact, but it has the necessities for living: shower, bath and toilet. It's a standard style wet room bathroom which you see in these apartments. It has a doorbell intercom system, so you can see who's at the door. You just press the button to see who's there and then press it again to close it. First delivery, I got the luggage sent from Nagoya to the apartment. 4 suitcases. We're on the 2nd floor and the stairs are the usual steep Japanese stairs, and I didn't want to carry them up. Mission complete. Now for the next challenge. To find some whiteware, fridge and washing machine and a bed. I have been looking on Facebook Marketplace as there's several groups that sell second-hand furniture, and I just searched under Sayonara sales in the location and also in the Facebook Marketplace, which I found quite good, and I found a second-hand dealer near where the apartment is, which we're visiting now. They're called Nepalese Global Recycle Shop and they give a 3-month warranty on goods sold, and they deliver, which is handy if you don't have a car. It's pretty full in here with lots to choose from. I ended up finding a fridge, washing machine and a single bed, which they're going to deliver tomorrow. They were pretty helpful and they also spoke a bit of English. I came back a couple of days later with my daughter and got a mirror and a pole for the outside washing line. Mission complete. Now it's food time, and I saw another Thai place in Ikebukuro station, which I want to try, so we'll go to the station. Let's go. I'm going to get the Thai green curry. The restaurant had a steady stream of customers coming and going, and the curry was delicious. Next stop is the supermarket to get some cleaning supplies. Now there are 2 items that I am looking for: an inset fumigation device, which I want to do before moving in, and a mould prevention device for the bathroom, which is meant to stop mould. The next day, the delivery of the whiteware and bed came. They started strong, but then they became slower as time went on. Unfortunately, there is no lift in this complex. They set up the washing machine and put it through a test cycle, ensuring that it's working. And the fridge. Well, not much to set up here. And the bed was put together. The bed has a power outlet and drawers underneath, which is perfect for the small space we have. The sun is streaming in, which is lovely on a winter's day. Mission complete. Now for the next challenge, the fumigation process. The instructions were easy to follow. You unwrap, add water to dotted line, and then put down. Now on to another mission, the bedding. I found these duvets on special, so I got 2 of them since I'm staying at the apartment also. I did bring a couple of inflatable beds, which will stay and will use for visitors. I also brought a blanket. These are very soft and they feel quite warm. We also need a kettle for our cups of tea. There's so many options, I'm not sure what to choose. Now for the financials, how much did it actually cost for the apartment? Move-in costs, these will be in yen. The rent is 65,000 yen per month. The deposit was 1 month's rent, 65,000. The initial guarantee fee was 34,000 yen. Fire insurance premium for 2 years was 17,000 yen. The agent fee is 76,000 yen, and tax on that, which was 13,200, and the total we paid for the apartment was 270,200 yen. This didn't seem so bad because I have heard some horror stories of paying thousands and thousands to get into an apartment. The ongoing monthly costs which we'll be paying is the rent at 65,000 yen per month, a management fee of 3,000 yen per month, and the guarantor fee of 1,000 yen per month, making a total of 68,000 yen per month rent. There will be other charges such as gas, electricity and water, which will vary, but it shouldn't be more than 5,000 to 6,000 per month. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, see ya!